You coming, bud?
Yep.
All right.
I wasn't.
My kids are finally getting to the age where I can take them outdoors and it's a practical trip. They're old enough that I can tell them to stay away from that cliff or not mess with that beehive, and they actually understand what I'm saying. My daughter's a year and a half, and my son is almost 4. So last week we took our first full family camping trip. I've had camping trips with chunks of the family before, but this is the first time that all 4 of us went out in one shot, and I wanted to go to a place that none of us had ever been. And I figured while I'm at it, I might as well give you guys a nudge with a treasure hunt to come and see this place too. Check out this view. This is one of the best spots I've had in a long time. It's absolutely gorgeous here. So anyway, treasure hunt. What we're doing right now is we're making some breakfast. We got the kiddos and everybody eating. It's gonna be some like a yogurt parfait type of thing. Not that you guys are interested, but I mean, come on. Anyway, what are we treasure hunting for? First off, I need to apologize. I need to apologize to everyone. When I got this bumper, I didn't even consider painting it because I was thinking, oh, whoever's gonna get the bumper is gonna paint it whatever color. And it was supposed to be sunny this whole time until someone comes and finds it, and it wasn't. So the bumper is wet. And I brought a tarp so we could wrap it, but some water got through the tarp. So anyway, let's have a look at this bumper real quick. This bumper is from today's sponsor, Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. And so even though it looks exactly like something I would make in the shop, this is from Barnes. You can go to Barnes right now and you can pick up a Pritchett Canyon bumper, which is what this is, for a JL or JT. So if you have the Jeep Gladiator or you have the most recent iteration of the Jeep Wrangler, you can pick this bad boy up. Or if you're the first one to come out here and find it, you can pick this exact one up. So it also comes with the hardware and this like lower piece, which I think is to help protect like the sway bar disconnecty stuff. So if you still have that, you're gonna get this bad boy too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dry it off. I'm gonna wrap it up tight with duct tape in this tarp right here, and we're gonna go find a place to put it. After bundling up our treasure, it's time to go find a place to hide it. And I think I know a decent spot just down the road from where we're camping because there's a lot of tall grass and I think not a lot of people come out here. Okay, I think we're gonna put it down here by this washout. So we can get out right here.
I'm gonna hunt too. I wait to go with you, Dad. I wait to go with you.
Coming, bud?
Yep.
All right.
I wasn't. I wish I you, Dad.
All right, you ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Yeah. Oh. Cute with my hand. It really deep. Whoa. I keep trying old one.
Here it is, bud.
Huh?
All right, Chris, come over here. Let's have a talk. Oh. Nope, you got it. Come on over. Let's have a talk. We're gonna film the end of this video.
There's more elk poop.
More elk poop.
Look right there.
There is a little nug. All right, come on, bud. We're gonna finish this video together. I want to talk about this treasure thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's look at the camera. Why do you think we're burying treasure? We're not burying. Why do you think we're hiding treasure?
Because for people.
For people to come
Yeah.
find?
Yeah, that would be travel day.
That way we're being thoughtful?
Yeah.
We are being thoughtful, because when people find treasure, they're probably really happy, huh?
Yeah.
So if you guys want to find the treasure and you want to be really happy, there it is. There it is. It's a Jeep JL JT bumper, and we'd love for you to come find it. Now, this is not that far of a hike from the truck, but it is a little treacherous for this last stretch. So I'd recommend bringing a friend, or if your wife's jacked and in one of those CrossFit chicks, maybe she'd be a big help. But I would recommend, just to make this like half the weight, come up here with a knife, cut this thing open and split it in half, because it's two pieces that I bundled together. What? You want to tell him something? What are you going to tell him?
You try elk poop.
And there's elk poop. So when you see the elk poop, you'll know where the bumper is. The latitude is going to be on our website. The longitude is going to be on Barnes 4-Wheel Drive's website. Okay, I got these old knees stand up. And I am going to use my Onyx app to mark this as a waypoint right now.
Hey, look what you
Woo!
did.
So I'm getting the latitude, longitude. As soon as we get reception, I'm going to send it to Barnes. And then Sunday morning, when this video goes live, the hunt is on. I've got one more message before we close up this video. And unfortunately, it's not a good one. I'm here, as you can see. I'm at my camp. We just cleaned everything up. It's in the truck. And in Boy Scouts, we learned to leave things better than you found them. So where we went and hid the treasure, there was a bunch of garbage that I was gonna circle back on our way out and throw it all away, because that's what you do. But unfortunately, I don't have room, because I had a very gross discovery at our own camp. If you saw, you're gonna see in the background of our videos, there's 3 Home Depot buckets that were sitting over here, and those were here when we got here. And I was like, huh, it's weird someone would just leave those, but either way, we'll bring them with us. Well, they were full of human poop. So my trash bag is full of Home Depot buckets that are full of poop. So my request to you, if you're watching and you want to come and do this treasure hunt, is at the last little stretch right before the washout, there's a bunch of garbage. If you've got room, please pick it up. I've got almost 200,000 subscribers. Imagine if we all just started picking up every single time we went outdoors. It would be so much harder for people to give reason to close down the places we love to go, and it would be such a cleaner place for us to take our kids. And also, bury your poop. Don't just leave it in a bucket for Nate and his family to come clean up for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.